get the results that we want.
As part of the International Water Conclave, a curtain raiser and pre-conclave event was held at the State Convention Centre today. During the pre-conclave event, various competitions were organized with Water, Life and Future as the theme. A PSA video finale was held at St. Anthony's College. While speaking at the event, Water Resource Minister Kamingwan Umbon said that this conclave underscores the need for the concentrated action to safeguard water resources for future generations. Others present in the occasion include Commissioner and Secretary of Water Resources Joram Beda and Secretary of Department S.C. Sadhu, among others.
Transcend borders and demand a collective response from all of us. This conclave underscore the need for concentrated action to safeguard our water resource for future generations. In Meghalaya, we have recognized the importance of sustainable water management as a cornerstone of our development agenda through innovative policies, community-driven initiative and partnership with the stakeholders. We are striving to ensure equitable access to clean and safe water for all our citizens while preserving our natural ecosystem.
The BJP's National Vice President